How to delete account bio history on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to be guiding you on how you can delete your account bio history on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to delete your account bio history on Instagram, let's say that you open the Instagram, you might not be aware that Instagram actually keeps a record of everything that you've made changes on the Instagram app so far. Open up Instagram app, tap the profile icon from the bottom right, tap the three lines option, go to this option called your activity. When you go to your activity, over here you'll be able to see account history, and here you'll be able to see all the histories regarding of the bio as well that Instagram has made. And unfortunately there is no way that you can actually delete this bio history, because this data is always actually kept by the Instagram application or for any type of references that they might need in the future. You can delete your search history, your viewing history and so on, but you cannot get rid of your account bio history or any of the other histories that you might have. The only way you can do so is that by simply deleting your account and creating a new account, which I'm sure you might not want to do. But if this account isn't really that important to you, I'll just suggest you to go with that method, because so far Instagram has not yet updated us with a feature that can help us delete our account bio history. Hope this video helped you understand your question. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.